Hello YouTube. Video update for Jeep Grand Cherokee 2014. It doesn't start, it doesn't crank. I guess it's a part 2. I wanna explain. I will try to do in this video in one shot to show you what's the problem and how to solve it. I had this problem a couple of weeks ago, but I never had a time to fix it. Well, I guess I will explain to you what's the issue with this Jeeps. Okay, trying to start the car. It's not cranking, it's just a click. One more time. Okay. As I show on my first video, that's the problem right there with the yellow wire. The clip, I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to stick the camera right now, my phone. I need to turn this. The video is gonna be upside down, I believe, but that's the only spot where I can stick the phone for you to see exactly what I'm doing. So there's this clip right here. I need to pull it out. There is a button right here on this clip right here. So basically right here in the middle. So when it's connected like this, you have to go like behind it and towards the body of the starter, closer. Push it and pull it out. So the problem, I guess, it's not right on this piece of metal. I don't know how to call this piece, but I guess it's inside. Maybe it's getting rusty, the connection. I don't know, but usually when I take it out and putting this back, let me see, oh yeah, okay, put it back, take it out again, put it back, okay, one more time, take it out, because when you're taking it out, you're actually scratching it, the two contacts between the connection and this thing. I don't know how to call it. So you're scratching it and you're making a better contact, electrical contact. So okay, right now it's in right now. Let me see, this wire is good. Let me try to start now. Okay. That's it. As you see, it starts. So basically what I think, there is a fuck. I think I stopped the video. So what I'm thinking that this clip that goes inside of the metal piece, the contact inside this clip is getting rusty because of the humidity, because it's open to the nature, especially after the rain. Yeah, it was a rain yesterday. So alright guys, so that's what the problem is with the Jeeps. I believe 2010 until 2016 or 17, 5.7 liters Hemi motors. I'm not sure about 3.6. I have it 5.7 here, Hemi. So that's the issue they have, and that's the problem I found out. What causing the problem, basically. Alright guys, thank you. Check out my first video. This one is gonna be the part number 2, and I believe I'm gonna do the part number 3 on how I clean it, how I'm gonna fix the problem.